Good morning, class 8. Here is Anne saying, welcome all of you in this special class of Kalyanika Education. Chapter 2, and the name of this chapter is Exponent. I have already explained to you what is the meaning of exponent. If you multiply any number many times, so that can be expressed in the exponential form. You know very well, 2 into 2, you can write 2 into 2, 2 square. 3 into 3 into 3, you can write 3 times. So I have already explained. And now we try to explain some few terms. Scientific notation, what is the reciprocal, and these are the formulas. I have already explained about this. Scientific notation, any number, if it is expressed in the number of product of 1 and 10, between 1 and 10, and integral power of 10. So that number is known as expressing the number in scientific notation. Suppose, for example, 345. How will you express in the scientific notation? The whole number should be between 1 and 10, and the other number you have to write in the form of power of 10. So here the point should be here. Now point is here, point 0, 0, 0. So this means this point should be shifted 2 places left side. So you will write here 3.45, and this will be 100, means 10 square. Now you see, both numbers are same, but this is the simple way to express any number, and this is known as scientific notation. So 345 means 345.0000, whatever you can. So that point should be shifted between 3 and 4, because this number should be between 1 and 10. Now you see another example, 0.00083. How will you express in scientific notation? This point should be between 8 and 3. So this will be 8.3. And now you see, this point you have to shift between here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 place. So now you will multiply by 10 power 4. If you multiply, so you will go to left side, but now we have to come to the left side, so this will be negative. So 8.3 into 10 to the power 4, this means point will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is called scientific notation. Reciprocal, I have already explained to you. If you multiply, suppose 3 by 5, a rational number, fraction. If I ask you, what number is required to multiply 3 by 5 to get 1? So the answer should be 5 by 3. And another example, suppose 7. By what number you will multiply 7 to get 1? It is very clear, you multiply by 7. So these two numbers are called reciprocal of each other. Reciprocal, if the numbers are multiplied together, if the product is 1, each number is called reciprocal of other. So these are the scientific notations to represent any number given, and reciprocal you understand. Suppose 1 by 2, this is a mixed fraction. You multiply, so you will convert into improper 3 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 2? 2 by 3. So very simple, reciprocal. The product of two numbers, if it is 1, so each number is called reciprocal of each other. And now I have already explained this formula of exponent. A by B, A and B are two numbers, and A by B whole power n into this, the powers are added. I have already told you this n is called exponent or power or index, and this AB is called base. So these are very important formula to solve the question given in your book. Now you see some difficult question. So this is one example before you. Now you see 3 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 27. What is the value of x? Now you see you write 3x, 3 power 2x plus 1. And 9 can be written 3 as 4. If you find the prime factor, and now is equal to 27. Now, can you tell me which formula you will use to solve the left side of this? So very simple, this formula will be used here because base is 3 and power m and n are 2x plus 1 and 2. So this will be 3 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 2. Powers are subtracted. And is equal to 27, you can write 3 power 3 in the exponential form. Now you see 3 power 2x plus minus minus, this will be 1 is equal to 3. Now important point is here. If the bases are equal, the powers are also equal. And therefore, this will be 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. And this will be 2x is equal to 3 plus 1, all transferring left to right side. And this is 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. This is the simplification of this given question. Many questions given in your book, and you will try to solve the exponent chapter, very simple chapter. And now you see these are the terms of formula you have already learned in the previous day. And now you can solve one question more I would like to explain you. And now you will learn and easily you can solve any question in your book given in this exponent chapter. Now you see. Now you find the value of x. 7 by 4 whole power minus 3. And this is 7 power 4 whole power minus 5. And this is 7 by 4. And whole power x minus 2. Now what is the value of x? Now bases are equal and here is a sign of multiplication. So we will use formula number 1. A by b whole power m into a by b whole power n. Powers are added. So now this will be 7 by 4 is the base and powers minus 3 plus minus 5 is equal to 7 by 4 and whole power x minus 2. And this will be 7 by 4 whole power minus 8. And here will be 7 by 4 x power minus 2. I have just explained if bases are equal to both sides, the powers are equal. This means this will be minus 8 is equal to x minus 2. You transfer minus 2 from right to left. Minus 8 plus 2 is equal to x, or x is equal to minus 6. So minus 6, this is the solution. I repeat this process. Now you see you have to multiply, and we will use this identity or formula. So very important. I am telling you once again, telling you these are the formula you have to learn. So bases are equal. If we have to multiply, you multiply and powers are added, minus 3, minus 5, minus 8. And right side, 7 by 4 to the power x minus 1, x minus 2. Now what do you observe? We observe the bases to both sides are equal, and therefore the bases will be cancelled, powers will be equal. Minus 8 is equal to x minus 2, and on transferring minus 2 from right to left, and on simplifying you are getting x is equal to minus 6. So this is the solution of this question, and I am sure you will try to solve the question given in your book, and if you have any doubt you will try to ask me. I will try to sort out your doubts. One more question. Now you will see how will you find the value of one more question. 4 power 1 minus 1 plus 6 power minus 1 plus 8 power minus 1 whole power 0. This is the question. Now if you see for base, you will use this negative integers added, change, converted into positive. So 4 by 1, 4 means 4 by 1. So this will be 1 by 4, and this will be 1 by 6, and this will be 1 by 8, whole power 0. Now you simplify, find the LCM of 4, 6 and 8, you will get 24. 24 divided by 4, you will get 6. 24 divided by 6, you will get 4. And here you will get 3. So this will be 6, 4, 10, 30. 30 by 24 whole power 0. Now what identity formula you will use? You use this formula. The power of any rational number is 0. That value is equal to 1. So this is the solution. These are a few questions. So in this exponent chapter, you should learn what is exponent. I want to summarize. Any number is multiplied many times. That can be expressed in form of power. These are called exponent, and these are the formula of exponential form. Exponent is also known as power or index, and scientific notation I have just told you, and reciprocal if we multiply any two numbers such that if the product is 1. So each number is called reciprocal, and that's all for today, and thank you and have a nice day. You will contact me if you have any doubt.